You are about to discover a revolutionary new class of culinary products based upon a highly advanced material called ceramic. In this video, you will become familiar with advanced ceramic, see it applied, understand its benefits, and experience the ceramic advantage personally. You will then learn that the best way to sell Kyocera advanced ceramics is simply getting the product into your customers' hands. Let's start with the material itself. Much like diamond and sapphire, the elements of ceramic are formed in nature through thousands of years of crystallization, extreme temperatures, and literally tons of pressure. The result is a pure, dense, unrelenting material that is 50% harder than steel. According to the American Ceramic Society, in general, ceramic is extremely hard, wear-resistant, chemically stable, lightweight, and non-corrosive. Today, doctors, scientists, and engineers use ceramic components in bone replacements, space shuttles, Formula One race cars, and other extreme applications where such components would virtually disintegrate if made from metal. The market for ceramic products has increased at an astounding average of 30% per year for the last 30 years. Ceramic is truly an amazing material that's enhancing every aspect of our lives. One of the more recent and exciting applications of ceramic is in the area of professional cutlery and kitchen tools. Ceramic kitchen products have three key benefits over stainless steel equivalents: strength, purity, and lightweight. The most significant benefit of using ceramic in a cutting blade is edge retention. Ceramic's 50% hardness advantage translates into a rock-like edge that will not roll like steel blades. Ceramic blades hold their edge at least 10 times longer than conventional steel blades, including high-carbon steels. Ceramic is chemically inert, meaning that it's totally impervious to acids, juices, oils, salts, or any other element. It will never rust or change from its natural, pure state. And unlike stainless steel, ceramic will not transfer metal ions or other contaminants to any food it contacts. As a result, it will never alter the taste, smell, or appearance of food. Ceramic is as pure as it gets. Ceramic is also lightweight. A ceramic knife is typically half the weight of an equivalent steel knife. Steel knives must have a full tang added to the handle to achieve proper balance. This increases the overall weight or heft of the knife. There is a perception that heft is an indication of quality and that it actually assists in slicing food. The truth is that heft is simply extra weight. A ceramic knife needs no artificial weight added to the handle since the blade is so light. This creates an extremely balanced, lightweight tool that becomes a comfortable extension of the hand and reduces fatigue during long, repetitive cutting tasks. Our elderly customers have particularly enjoyed this feature. In summary, the main benefits of ceramic cutlery are unrelenting strength, resulting in 10 times the edge retention, unparalleled purity, resulting in no rust of the blade or contamination of food, and ultra lightweight, resulting in more comfort and less fatigue. Kyocera was founded in 1959 in Kyoto, Japan. In fact, the name Kyocera comes from Kyoto Ceramics. From its inception, Kyocera has been dedicated to the development, manufacture, and application of the most advanced ceramics available. The American Ceramic Society has referred to Kyocera as a global leader in the advanced ceramics industry. Kyocera is the largest and highest quality manufacturer of ceramic knives and kitchen products in the world. Next, you'll see firsthand the care that goes into the creation of every knife and why Kyocera's reputation for excellence has been rightfully earned. Every step in the manufacture of advanced ceramics is critical to ensure the consistency and performance of the material. The raw material is excavated and then ground into a micrograin powder. The powder is placed into a mill that is filled with water and ceramic balls to further pulverize it to a sub-micron level for ultimate consistency. The pulverized slurry is pumped into a spray dryer where it is dried, returning it to its powder state. Ready for molding, the pure and consistent powder is mechanically pressed with up to 300 tons of pressure into a knife mold. The molded blades are then stacked and prepared for firing or sintering. At temperatures in excess of 1,000 degrees, the furnace hardens the material. Exact control of the exposure time at each temperature is critical to achieve the desired hardness. To create the Kyocera hot isostatic process hip blades, one additional manufacturing process is performed. After sintering in the furnace, the blades are stacked and re-sintered in a second furnace, this time in a vacuum for an additional 24 hours. This pressurized firing method increases the density of these blades, producing our highest grade premium line called Kyotop. After sintering, the blades are polished in tumbling vats filled with green carbide rocks. The blades are then ground to smooth out all edges. Next, each blade is laser marked with the Kyocera logo. The secondary edge is then ground using a diamond belt and precise rhythmic movements to create a consistent angle. Each blade is then honed on a fine diamond wheel, completing the primary cutting edge and rounding the tip and base of the blade for safety. Next, the blade is buffed to create its ultimate sharpness. Each knife is then subjected to Kyocera's rigorous quality standards, including multiple inspections. A side impact test to ensure that every blade is free from any imperfections. A sharpness test to ensure that every edge is razor sharp. A detection test to ensure that every knife is metal detectable. The knives are then carefully packaged for shipment to your store. Now that you're familiar with the advantages of Kyocera Advanced Ceramics and how these amazing products are made, nationally acclaimed chef Ming Tsai will show us how to apply these products to everyday use.
Welcome to my kitchen, and I am excited to show you a salmon dish using a lot of these Kyocera products. This is going to be a citrus tea rub salmon with a carrot ginger vinaigrette. It's going to be a hot vinaigrette on a sushi rice cake and a little bit of tomato and cucumber carpaccio. Now what I'm going to do is do the cucumbers first. Here we have the mandolin, and one great thing about this mandolin, most French mandolins, it goes one way. This mandolin is double bladed, two-sided, one blade, two side, and it cuts incredibly paper thin slices every time, which is exactly what we need for this dish. But look how fast that is. I mean, you don't need to be a pro by any means to get perfectly cut paper thin slices of cucumber. All right, so let's go ahead and set this aside. And by the way, you can just do a quick cucumber salad. You're already halfway there. Let's go ahead and get through the tomatoes. We're calling it carpaccio. Carpaccio basically means thinly sliced. Let me check on my salmon here. All right, that looks good. Turn those around. Look at that. And what you want to do is just take the little end off. And tomatoes especially, you want to actually use a serrated knife. Serrated knife with its teeth is the ideal tool to use. And look how thin you can go with this serrated. A regular knife would work, but when you get a super ripe tomato and it gets too soft, it's very difficult. And this is also equally good for slicing bread. So there's your tomato slices. And you can even see this blue plate through the cucumber, so that really shows you how thin these slices are. I'm gonna just put 3 equal slices of tomato. All right, so there's the base for the dish. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the prep on the vinaigrette. What we're gonna need is just a carrot, and we're gonna peel it first. And this is a ceramic peeler. See that? It's like a hot knife through butter. It's so effortless, so easy. And by the way, if you wanna do a carrot salad, you can just do things like that once it's already peeled, and makes a really nice, simple carrot salad. So it's what we call them carrot curlicues. All right, there, it's nice peeled. And then we're gonna use a different type of mandolin to do what we call julienne.